Empower your mind, enhance your life. Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide to real estate, where we will explore everything you need to know about short sales and broker salaries. Whether you're a homeowner, a prospective buyer or seller, or someone interested in pursuing a real estate or finance career, this video is for you. Real estate is a vast and complex industry, and understanding the nuances of short sales and broker salaries is crucial for success. In this video, we'll dive deep into these topics and explore the different types of brokers you may encounter. So, without further ado, let's get started. Short sales are an important aspect of the real estate industry, and it's essential to understand how they work. Essentially, a short sale is a process where a homeowner sells their property for less than what they owe on their mortgage. This can be a challenging situation for both the homeowner and the buyer. To better understand short sales, let's look at the process involved. When a homeowner wants to sell their property via a short sale, they must submit a short sale package. This package includes a hardship letter, tax returns, financial statements, and bank statements. It's essential to ensure that these documents are accurate and complete as they determine whether the short sale can be approved. It's important to note that short sales can take longer to close than traditional sales, and this is because the lender needs to approve the deal, which can take time. Additionally, more negotiations may be involved between the buyer and the lender, which can also slow down the process. In conclusion, short sales can be a complex process, but they can also be an excellent option for those struggling to pay their mortgage. If you're considering a short sale, working with an experienced real estate agent who can guide you through the process is critical. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and tricks. In the next part, we'll dive into broker salaries and discuss how much money you can make in the industry. Real estate brokers play a crucial role in buying and selling properties, and their salaries can vary depending on various factors. According to Playster, real estate brokers make an average of $60,646 in base salary and can earn anywhere between $10,000 to $145,000 in commission. However, these figures can vary depending on experience and location. It's important to note that brokers work in various industries and may have different job responsibilities. For example, freight brokers make an average salary of nearly $61,200 per year, with additional sales commissions of up to $28,000. On the other hand, as Indeed explained, stockbrokers typically require a bachelor's degree and may work in securities, commodities, or financial services. If you're interested in pursuing a career in the real estate or finance industries, it's essential to do your research and understand the different paths you can take. Consider factors such as education, certifications, and networking opportunities to help you reach your career goals. Now that we have a better understanding of real estate broker salaries, let's take a closer look at the different types of brokers in the industry. There are several types of brokers in the real estate industry, each with job responsibilities. One of the most common brokers is the buyer's broker, who works with buyers to find properties that meet their needs and budget. On the other hand, seller's brokers work with sellers to market and sell their properties. In some cases, brokers may act as dual agents, representing the buyer and the seller in a transaction. Understanding the different types of brokers and their job responsibilities is essential, as they can significantly impact your real estate transaction. For example, a buyer's broker may help you find properties you wouldn't have otherwise discovered, while a seller's broker can help you market your property effectively. Brokers also work in other industries, such as finance. For example, stockbrokers help clients invest in the stock market. They typically require a bachelor's degree and may work in securities, commodities, or financial services. On the other hand, freight brokers help shippers and carriers find loads and negotiate rates. They can make an average salary of nearly $61,200 per year, with additional sales commissions of up to $28,000. Understanding the different types of brokers and their job responsibilities can help you make informed decisions when buying or selling property or pursuing a real estate or finance career. In summary, understanding the different types of brokers in the real estate industry and their responsibilities is crucial for buyers and sellers. Moving forward, let's consider some essential factors when working with a broker. Buying or selling a property can be a complex process, and it's essential to have a solid understanding of the market and the steps involved. In this section, we'll offer tips for those looking to buy or sell property, including navigating short sales and finding the right broker. Firstly, it's essential to research and understand the market conditions before making decisions. This includes examining property values in the area, looking at local real estate market trends, and assessing your financial situation. Being financially prepared is essential, as buying or selling property can involve high costs, including down payments, closing costs, and real estate commissions. Finding the right broker to help you navigate the process is essential if you want to sell a property. Look for someone with experience in the local market and a track record of successfully selling properties like yours. A seller's broker can provide valuable insights into the local market, help you set the right price for your property, and market your property effectively. If you want to buy a property, a buyer's broker can help you find properties that meet your needs and budget. They can also assist with negotiations and ensure you get a fair deal. Finally, knowing the potential risks and benefits of buying or selling property in the current market is essential. Factors such as interest rates, economic conditions, and local housing supply can all impact the buying and selling process. With careful research and, however, with proper support, buying or selling property can be a rewarding and successful experience. In conclusion, we hope that this comprehensive guide to real estate has provided you with valuable insights into short sales, broker salaries, and different types of brokers. It's crucial to understand the complexities of the real estate industry, whether you're looking to buy or sell a property or pursue a real estate or finance career. To recap, we defined short sales and explained the process of submitting a short sale package, highlighted the varying salaries of real estate brokers, discussed the job responsibilities of brokers in different industries, and offered tips for those looking to buy or sell the property. We encourage viewers to continue learning about real estate and explore different career paths in the industry, whether as a real estate agent, broker, or investor. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video with anyone who may find it helpful.